Hey guys, this is how to reset Google Authenticator code when losing your phone. So guys, if you ever lose your phone and you want to reset your Google Authenticator code, what you would try to do is simply go to google.com, and from here just simply go ahead and go to your profile icon over here on the top right, and after that just simply go ahead and click on manage your Google account, and after that just simply go ahead and go over to security, and from here guys just simply go for two-step verification over here, and after that just simply go ahead and go for authenticator over here. And from here guys just simply click on change authenticator app, and from here guys just simply go to your authenticator app and tap on the plus button, as you can see the guide over here, and then from there just simply choose a scan a QR code, and from there guys you should be able to reset your authenticator app. And from there, just simply follow these steps. And after that, once you have scanned it, just tap on next. And from here, just simply go ahead and enter the code that it is on your phone. And from there, you'll be able to reset it by clicking on verify. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.